In today's session, let's see how to say simple sentences in Spanish. Like we will discuss about simple present and simple past. Let's say first sentence. If I have to say I eat mango. How to say this sentence in Spanish? Let us see now. For I, in Spanish, we say yo. It means, in Spanish, we say como. And here I will add mango. It was very small sentence. Let us make it little bigger. If I add here, I eat mango every day. Every day. Then every day in Spanish we say todos los días. Now we will learn two words of Spanish. This first one is what we call day in Spanish. In Spanish we call day dia. And second word, let us take night. N-I-G-H-T, night. We call in Spanish noche. Noche. Let me give one more example. If I have to say I eat mango every night, then how can we say yo como mango todos los noches? Okay, it's very easy. So todos los will be the same thing. Dia means day. So we will remove this dia and we will add there noche and we'll add s, noches, every night. Now let's say the next sentence. We'll talk about the past, simple past. If I have to say I did eat or I ate mango, how can I say this? I did eat mango. It's very simple. I means same, yo. Did eat means we are talking about the past. So we can write comí. Yo comí mango. Let us say I did eat mango. If I want to add yesterday, then how can we say in Spanish? Yesterday means just we will add ayer. Yo comí mango ayer.